it's your girl Tyler back here with another video. So y'all already know what it is by the title. This is my first hurricane, like, you know, being in the hurricane, like in my house. Like, I used to like leave, but yeah, this time I'm not leaving. I was going to Dallas, but I'm not. So we just gonna have to suck it up and thug it out in the house. Like, I'm gonna try to do like things so y'all can see what we doing. So yeah, I'm gonna just have to do some things around the house. So let me show y'all what we cooked. Fried these up in a deep fryer. That's what it's called, Nanny. Okay, and we had these fries, looking tasty. And this is the nicely deep fryer. Y'all, look at these big dogs. Like, look at the other one right here. Come here. Look, this is Raven. Her channel will be down below
in the description, baby.
So y'all go check that out.
This vlog is gonna be in 3 different parts on 3 different channels.
Okay. They about to fight, y'all. This is my nanny over here. Say hello, nanny.
Hello.
So let's go check on Gabby. See what this heifer doing. So I had to start it over. So this is Gabby, you guys. She laying down being wretched as always.
Yeah.
So her channel will be down below. Yes, we do all have a channel. As y'all can see, like we have some snacks for the hurricane. Well, this is all for me. I'm not sharing, so yeah. I look outside. As y'all can see, very windy, but no rain.
Okay, see,
And it's only like, I think it's 8 o'clock. It's 8 o'clock. It is 7:27 right now, and this is how it look. So yeah, no rain. Ooh, just a lot of wind. Ooh, a lot of wind. Yeah, a lot of wind. So yeah, and they told us it might just come at midnight, like around like 12 a.m. or 1 in the morning. So yeah, it's my nanny. I'm just showing y'all the little update. Ooh. I can't show that I'm nervous because it's my cousin, you know, but I'm very nervous. I gotta stay strong for her, you know. But it's the park over there, you guys. See that? My nanny. She all on the phone. Period. Tell them, hey, Ray. We out here. We starting to drizzle, y'all. It's starting to drizzle a little bit. Alright, y'all. So we're going to get back with y'all. Peace. Okay, we still outside. And it's still windy. Still windy. We get a little close for y'all. See? Yeah. It's windy and it's drizzling. It's starting to rain, y'all. Cause my phone getting red. Whoa. Oh. The wind is blowing me. Get in my video. So I'm back, you guys. I'm sorry, I had like a little breakdown because I'm very nervous about the situation, but there's nothing I can do now. So let me show y'all how it is outside. Yeah, so right now it's just raining a little bit and windy. Yeah. I'm gonna check on this side. Yeah, this raining and windy.
I can see you.
Man, it's so dark.
So like, this way.
Alright, so YouTube, this is the update. Y'all see like water underground? Look at this. It's coming in the roof, y'all. Water is coming out. Coming through the ceiling. We got this pot right here. This is coming all out the ceiling, y'all. Yeah, as y'all can see, it's like, ooh, coming from the ceiling. Sis, if you don't mind, take this over there by the window. Get the window.
Got water leakage here. This is the master bedroom, my any bedroom. And it's currently, what time is it? 4:24, y'all. We trying to make it to 6 o'clock sunrise.
Ooh.
You still got that drill, like not so on the table. It should be over there, on the bed, on the other side of the bed.
So y'all, as you can see that we made it through the storm so far. This is what happened. Oh my gosh. We have no wind outside. Let me see. Look. Tell him I'm recording it. Look y'all. Oh my gosh. And y'all see like, oh my gosh. Like, all the trees is basically on the ground. Like, is it a way out? Like, oh my God. The wind. The wind. How the backyard looking? I don't know. The reason we stay back was a damn job.
The only reason we stayed, y'all, is because of work. No job is work job right now. It was so intense, but I'm telling y'all, ain't nothing but prayers, and we was worshiping and singing. The louder we
That's
sung,
where we was.
we started to slow down.
Yeah.
The sound was horrible.
Okay, y'all. So this the backyard. This the backyard. Y'all, so it's currently 11:58. And this is the aftermath. The aftermath. Look at this, you guys. So it'll be